Question 1. The East-West Corridor, which is a part of the Golden Quadrilateral Superhighways, links which two cities of India from the following? A. Ahmednagar and Imphal. B. Silchar and Porbandar. C. Jaipur and Gangtok. D. Gandhinagar and Silchar. Correct answer. B. Silchar and Porbandar. Question 2. Yakshagana is a folk dance that belongs to the state of A. Kerala. B. Karnataka. C. Haryana. D. Rajasthan. Correct answer. B. Karnataka. Question 3. Who among the following is one of the co-authors of the book Cracking the Code? My Journey in Bollywood. A. Harshavardhan Kapoor. B. Nawazuddin Siddique. C. Ayushman Khurrana. D. Rajkumar Rao. Correct answer. C. Ayushman Khurrana. Question 4. What is the difference between a debit card and a credit card? A. Debit cards are used for online transactions, while credit cards are used for in-person purchases. B. Credit cards require a PIN, while debit cards require a signature. C. Debit cards withdraw money directly from a bank account, while credit cards allow borrowing up to a certain limit. D. Debit cards have higher interest rates than credit cards. Correct answer. C. Debit cards withdraw money directly from a bank account, while credit cards allow borrowing up to a certain limit. Question 5. Which of the following is not related to the sport of swimming? A. Breaststroke. B. Backstroke. C. Freestyle. D. Penalty corner. Correct answer. D. Penalty corner. Question 6. In 1873, who published the first photograph of nerve tissue stained with the black reaction technique, describing a whole nerve cell? A. Gunter Blobel. B. Camillo Golgi. C. William Harvey. D. Paul Ehrlich. Correct answer. B. Camillo Golgi. Question 7. The brick temple of Bhitargab is situated in which state? A. Odisha. B. Jharkhand. C. Uttar Pradesh. D. Madhya Pradesh. Correct answer. C. Uttar Pradesh. Question 8. What is the name of the seventh most abundant metal in the Earth's crust, which is derived from the medieval Latin word callium? A. Aluminium. B. Magnesium. C. Calcium. D. Potassium. Correct answer. D. Potassium. Question 9. Rani Machaya is a folk dancer who was awarded Padma Shri in 2023. A. Umman That. B. Lambadi. C. Gussadi. D. Dhimsa. Correct answer. A. Umman That. Question 10. Article 149 of the Constitution deals with A. The qualifications required for the appointment of the Controller and Auditor General of India. B. The duties and powers of the Controller and Auditor General of India. C. The term of office of the Controller and Auditor General of India. D. The appointment of the Controller and Auditor General of India. Correct answer. B. The duties and powers of the Controller and Auditor General of India. Question 11. According to Sikh literature, the birth anniversary of Guru Nanak Dev is celebrated on the full moon day of the Indian lunar month. A. Magh. B. Posh. C. Ashad. D. Kartik. Correct answer. D. Kartik. Question 12. The Constitution, Scheduled Tribes, Order, Second Amendment, Bill, 2022 has included Nari Korwan and Kurivikkaran communities in the list of scheduled tribes of which state? A. Bihar. B. Tamil Nadu. C. Chhattisgarh. D. Odisha. Correct answer. B. Tamil Nadu. Question 13. Which of the following is used to measure the total output of goods and services in an economy including depreciation during a specific period within country? A. Net Domestic Product. NDP. B. Gross National Product. GNP. C. Net National Product. NNP. D. Gross Domestic Product. GDP. Correct answer. D. Gross Domestic Product. GDP. Question 14. FIFA U17 Women's World Cup 2022 matches were not held in which state? A. Maharashtra. B. Odisha. C. Goa. D. Gujarat. Correct answer. D. Gujarat. Question 15. Which of the following movements was founded in Bengal? A. Ramakrishna Mission. B. Arya Samaj. C. Satyashodhak Samaj. D. Prarthana Samaj. Correct answer. A. Ramakrishna Mission. Question 16. Which of the following institutes was founded by M.G. Ranade and G.V. Joshi? A. Abhinav Bharat. B. The Indian National Congress. C. The Bombay Presidency Association. D. Pune Sarvajanik Sabha. Correct answer. D. Pune Sarvajanik Sabha. Question 17. Mandarin is the official language of which neighboring country of India? A. Afghanistan. B. Bhutan. C. Sri Lanka. D. China. Correct answer. D. China. Question 18. What is the destination of the water drained off by the Nile River? A. Lake Victoria. B. Indian Ocean. C. Mediterranean. D. Lake Tanganyika. Correct answer. C. Mediterranean Sea. Question 19. In October 2022, Virat Kohli became the first Indian to complete how many runs in T20 cricket history? A. 11,000. B. 9,000. C. 5,000. D. 15,000. Correct answer. A. 11,000. Question 20. What is the aim of Article 44 of the Indian Constitution? A. To protect every monument or place of artistic or historic interest. B. To separate judiciary from the executive in the public services of the state. C. To protect and improve the environment and safeguard the forests and wildlife of the country. D. To secure for the citizen a uniform civil code through the territory of India. Correct answer. D. To secure for the citizen a uniform civil code through the territory of India. Question 21. On 15th August 1947, the first Prime Minister of India, Jawaharlal Nehru, raised the Indian national flag above the of Red Fort in Delhi. A. Delhi Gate. B. Kashmiri Gate. C. Ajmeri Gate. D. Lahori Gate. Correct answer. D. Lahori Gate. Question 22. Which group of musicians were awarded by Bharat Ratna from the following as of May 2023? A. Anu Malik and Udit Narayan. B. Pandit Ravi Shankar and Pandit Bhimsen Joshi. C. Asha Bhosle and Kishore Kumar. D. A.R. Rahman and Hariprasad Chaursia. Correct answer. B. Pandit Ravi Shankar and Pandit Bhimsen Joshi. Question 23. Which of the following novels of Kamleshwar was awarded the Sahitya Akademi Award in 2003? A. Jalti Hui Nadi. B. Kali Aadhi. C. Kitne Pakistan. D. Ek Sadak Sattavan Galiyan. Correct answer. C. Kitne Pakistan. Question 24. Which river is also known as Sangpo? A. Ganga River. B. Gandak River. C. Kaveri River. D. Brahmaputra River. Correct answer. D. Brahmaputra River. Question 25. Roshan Kumari, Shovna Narayan, Maya Rao and Kumudini Lakhia are eminent artists. A. Odissi. B. Kuchipudi. C. Kathak. D. Manipuri. Correct answer. C. Kathak.